In this video, I'll show you how you can export your code files from Google AI Studio. So this is very simple. And the first step is to go to this build section. From here, you need to go to your apps. Next, you need to choose your app for which you want to export your code files. So I'm going to choose this one. And then once you are on this preview page, you can go in top right corner and click on download app. And this will download your code files. Now I can drag it on desktop and you can right click on it, click extract all, and this will extract your code files. So it's not in zip file. And if you open it, you will see all your files here. Now you can open it, let's say, for example, in some kind of code editor. So I have this Visual Studio Code. So I can drag it here and this will open my file. And from here, you can edit your codes. So this is how you can export your code files from Google AI Studio. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.